Welcome back. In this section, we are going to see how to load images into Databricks environment or working with images or data source as image. So in Spark, we can also load images and process it. Spark also process image file for machine learning purpose. So let's define a data frame val.df spark.read.format. We have specified image option drop invalid true. This is option. Drop invalid means if anything is invalid, then drop it. Load, we have specified multiple file location. So these are the 4 files which we have loaded into Spark data frame. First image, second, third and fourth. And the location is this. I will provide all these files in the course. You can download it and store it in appropriate folder location. So what I will do is I will load import export data. I will specify the location over here and select all the files by pressing Ctrl and click on all the keys. Now click on open. So you can see all these files have been loaded and these are the file store location. So all these 4 files location are mentioned over here. So I am using all these 4 location. Since I am uploading the file again, it has named additional one has been loaded to the file. Make sure you copy the appropriate name once you load these files in order to execute this notebook. The notebook name is Spark SQL Practice 4. We have attached the Spark cluster and we have select df.select image origin, image width and image height. Show truncate equal to false. Let me execute it. It will show the file location, width and height. If I truncate equal to false means it won't combine all this column into limited format. So we have written truncate equal to false. If I remove it, you can see the file store location is not displayed completely. So for that we have written truncate equal to false. Press Ctrl Enter. You can also print the schema. We have only selected origin, height, width. We can also select n channels, mode and data. So this is the print schema. By using df.printSchema function, you can print it. Now one amazing thing which Databricks notebook provides is display df. So this df which we created above can be viewed. Ctrl Enter. We are executing the code. So you can see all these 4 images can be displayed in the Spark environment. So this is the feature provided by Databricks. Usually image recognition and many machine learning models can be developed in Spark ML. So that's all for this lecture. See you in the next video.